today with 2012 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control system, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.